Good morning, I'm Dave, one of the paramedics with East of England Ambulance Service, here to show you our new 2019 lightweight box ambulance. So these will be coming onto the roads of the East of England over the next couple of weeks. We're going to have 56 of these on the road by the end of August, with an additional 170 by April 2020. So some of the key benefits of the vehicle is it's better designed to allow us to put the patient in the heart of the ambulance. We're able to then keep relatives with the patient, so we can keep a mum with a baby, for example, rather than having to separate them as we do currently. If we've got additional support from specialist care teams, they can get all the way around the patient, which lets us deliver better patient care. Some of the safety features for our staff are better as well, so the equipment's laid out differently, so we don't have to walk around the vehicle now whilst it's moving to do some simple things like get tissues or repeat blood pressures. We're able to stay sat down with our seatbelts on, which is really important. Some of the new equipment we'll have on the vehicle, we're going to be the first English trust to convert all of our stretchers over to being a powered stretcher, which will allow the staff, without the use of ramps and winches and tail lifts, to be able to load and unload patients up to 318 kilograms with really minimal effort. We're also the first English trust to introduce a powered carry chair, so when the staff have to go up or downstairs, they don't need to lift at all. That will all be done under power, and the same for getting the patient into and transferring them in the vehicle. The staff won't have to put any physical effort in and exertion in to be able to transfer the patient safely onto the trolley cot.